Hi, welcome back to my channel. Since we are already made a video talking about one IONOS or just IONOS as a hosting provider, why not a piece the web good and dive into the IONOS website builder has to offer. It modern user-friendly tool with often level pricing or something you should skip and run to another option. All this question and more will be answered is my IONOS builder review anyway. For everybody else, we are starting is IONOS review by looking at the very first part of building your website, choosing a good looking template. IONOS does not do with wild with its template. Though there are only a handful of them, the design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. The said creative are not left out. There are full, colorful, modern looking template as well. Also appreciate that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making or your choose. You we probably noticed the giant text at the top that keep screening AI. So look at what the IONOS AI website builders offer. It work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, there quick step for color, font, and your website into there. We get quite a good looking selection of design. No, not every granted template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and step. Overall, I way to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and modern approach with AI integration. It's plus for IONOS. You have the main menu on the left with I, all you need app marketing, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small business point for the easily accessible elastic. However, the app marketing could use more app right now. It mainly offer translator and booking at one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for landing page portfolio or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tool available. If we go the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach. Dare I say quite unique. The most intention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a similar version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to meet with website structure, editing pre-made section or rewriting them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor grades you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate the section setting, then to element and activate this mode, UI be able to move element freely, similar to Pix or hosting. As for the individual element, you can add the selection is not extensive, but it does not in an interesting design. Choose switching modes does not change the enter editor. It only effective the specific section you are working on. This means you can mix drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-mode option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individual. If you want to use it across your entire site. You can use AI with any text element by simple double clicking on it. This brings out the standard word editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameter. Here continues with the them. You can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I don't know how much I would recommend using it. A better using is the IONOS stock picture that offer realistic looking reality free image, so you don't need to worry about license or other stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting discussion, the IONOS website builds editor feel and control like a modern beginner-friendly tool. Everything else here is quite self-explanatory. The style tab allows you to customize color, font, and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page, and of course the shop for product management. All right, its answer the question is IONOS good as website builder, or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even $1 a month plan. While it does have a 5 add design choose and cloud benefit from more design option or variation, it's still a solid choose. It may not be the best website builder out there, but it's definitely and tool ID recommended for beginners. So give IONOS a shot and don't forget this discount like to save sweet cash. Thank you for watching my IONOS website builder review.